Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to fill out IRS Form W-2C, also called as the corrected wage and tax statement. So this form is used when information on W-2 needs to be corrected. So if there was a mistake with the employee's name, social security number, wages, taxes, state information, or local tax details, this is the form that helps show what was reported before and what the correct information should be. So to start, go to the top left side of the form. In box A, enter the employer's name, address, and zip code. Then in box B, enter the employer identification number, also called the EIN. Next, move to the top right side. In box C, enter the tax year and the form being corrected, since this is for a W-2 correction. You will write the tax year and W-2. In box D, enter the employee's correct social security number. If the correction is for the employee's social security number or name, check box E. Then complete the section below it. In box F, enter the employee's previously reported social security number if it was wrong. In box G, enter the employee's previously reported name. Then in box H, enter the correct first name, initial, last name, and the suffix if there is one. In box 1 or box I, enter the employee's address and zip code. After that, go to the wage and tax corrections section. So this part is very important because it shows the difference between what was already reported and what should have been reported. So for each box you are correcting, enter the old amount under previously reported and enter the fixed amount under correct information. Only fill out the boxes that need to be corrected. So for example, if wages were wrong, use box 1. If federal income tax withheld was wrong, use box 2. Continue the same idea for the Social Security wages, Medicare wages, tips, dependent care benefits, and in box 12 items and the other sections shown on the form. Next, complete the state correction information section. If the state details were wrong, enter the previously reported state information on one side, then the correct state information on the other side. So this includes the state employer state ID number, state wages, and state income tax. Then if there are a local tax corrections, complete the locality correction information section. So this is where you correct local wages, local income tax, and the locality name. So once everything is filled out, review the form carefully and make sure the correct information matches the actual records. And do not fill out boxes that do not need changes. And that is how you fill out IRS Form W-2C for corrected wage and tax information. That is all for today. Thank you so much for watching. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below and I'll see you on the next video.